Pereira, Colombia, the heart of the coffee triangle. It's famous for its eternal spring climate, rolling green hills covered in coffee farms, modern infrastructure, and relaxed lifestyle. For expats who want a safe, green, affordable city with mountain views and genuine Colombian warmth, Pereira delivers comfortable living with genuine local flavor. Welcome to Real Expat Finance, practical budgets and relocation plans for Americans and Canadians moving south safely and affordably. Today I'm breaking down why Pereira might be one of the nicest highland cities for expats in 2026. Honest daily life, real 2026 costs, the neighborhoods most people miss, and the practical tips that actually matter. Pereira sits in the Andes at a comfortable altitude that gives you mild temperatures year-round. You get lush coffee landscapes, dozens of parks and green spaces, easy day trips to nearby plantations and waterfalls, and a modern yet unhurried pace that feels more like a big town than a hectic city. It's only a 1-hour flight from Bogota and has excellent connections when you need them. You have two main choices for living here. Most expats and the smartest long-term movers stick to the eastern modern neighborhoods. Secure green areas with newer apartments, shopping, restaurants, and excellent parks. Or you can choose areas closer to the historic center if you want a bit more traditional Colombian feel, though the east side is where most expats settle for the best combination of safety and convenience. Here's my realistic monthly budget for a single person in 2026 living comfortably in a nice modern apartment in one of the recommended neighborhoods. All numbers in US dollars based on what expats are actually paying right now. Rent, $400 to $850 for a comfortable 1 to 2 bedroom furnished apartment in a modern building with security and basic amenities. Premium spots in Pinares or Circunvalar push toward the higher end. Utilities, including electricity, water, internet, and gas, run $60 to $130. The mild climate keeps air conditioning costs low. Groceries and household expenses are $220 to $310. Fresh highland markets and supermarkets keep it very affordable, especially produce, meats, and local specialties. Dining out and entertainment is $110 to $240. You can enjoy hearty local meals and cafe culture for cheap or nicer spots on weekends. Transportation, using Uber, taxis, or occasional buses, is $50 to $110. Everything in the main areas is walkable or a quick, cheap ride. Total monthly comes to $1,100 to $1,900 for a really comfortable life. That's excellent value for a safe, green, modern lifestyle and leaves plenty of room to breathe compared to bigger or hotter cities. The neighborhoods most expats choose, and the ones I recommend, are Pinares, modern, green, walkable to parks and shopping, very secure and expat-friendly. Los Alamos offers a quieter residential feel with family-oriented streets and excellent amenities. Circunvalar is upscale but not flashy, with great restaurants and a calm vibe. These areas have gated buildings, private security, and that suburban modern feel, while still being close to parks, malls, and everyday services. Life in Pereira moves at a pleasant, coffee-fueled rhythm. Most mornings begin with a strong tinto or cafe, con leche and fresh empanadas, or local pastries from a neighborhood bakery. Afternoons stay comfortable thanks to the altitude, so people often take advantage of the many parks for a walk or a quiet break outdoors. Evenings and weekends are relaxed. You'll find families and friends gathering in green spaces, enjoying live music, or heading out for a casual meal with panoramic views of the hills. The food scene shines with hearty regional classics like bandeja paisa, fresh trout from the rivers, and of course incredible coffee at every turn. It's comforting, full of flavor, and you can eat very well here without spending much by sticking to local spots and markets. Safety is one of Pereira's biggest advantages. The city consistently ranks among the safest larger cities in Colombia, very low violent crime in the expat zones, good police presence, and a calm atmosphere where people feel secure day and night. Use normal big city awareness in any downtown or market areas, but overall the neighborhoods most expats choose feel very livable and low stress. Healthcare is solid and affordable. Private clinics like Clínica Los Rosales and Hospital San Jorge are excellent and widely used by expats. You can join the public EPS system or get private insurance for $70 to $150 a month. That gives you fast access to top doctors. Pharmacies are everywhere, and medications are a fraction of US prices. Here are some practical expat tips. The visa is straightforward. 90 days visa-free, extendable, then easy paths to pensionado or rentista visas. Learn basic Spanish because English is less common here than in bigger tourist cities. The mild climate means no air conditioning is usually needed, but bring light layers for cooler evenings. Get a local SIM and use apps like Uber. The altitude and pleasant weather take almost no adjustment, but the fresh air, lower costs, and green lifestyle make it worth it. Finance tip: living here gives you real breathing room. That extra money every month can go straight into investments instead of disappearing into higher rent. It's the difference between just getting by and actually building wealth while enjoying the highland lifestyle. This is based on what I've seen and experienced, not financial advice. Costs, safety, and rules change. Always do your own research and consult professionals before moving. If this video made Pereira feel like a real option, hit like and subscribe. We're doing a full 10-city Colombia series with a new video every Sunday. Comment below. Would you consider Pereira for its coffee region charm, safety, and pleasant climate, or are you leaning toward a coastal or bigger city? I'll reply. Thanks for watching Real Expat Finance. Safe travels and smarter moves.